Weapon-mounted equipment notes frequency. Price, bipod folding, +2 to BATAC when resting on horizontal surface, average 50 tripod, +3, 2 BATAC when in use. Uncommon 120 tripod collapsible, +3 to BATAC when in use. Uncommon 300 drilling bipod, +3 to BATAC when drilled in. 1 round to drill in, 1 to remove. Rare 1000 drilling tripod, +4 to BATAC when drilled in, 1 round to drill in, D3 to remove. Very rare 1800 impact bipod, +3 to BATAC when spikes dug in. 1 round to remove. Rare 750 impact tripod, +4 to BATAC when spikes dug in. Deeded 2 rounds to remove. Very rare 2200 sling when correctly used confers +1 to BATAC. Common 2 foregrip, +1 to BATAC on suitable weapons. Average 35 silencer for conventional or dart weapons. Uncommon 200 plus muzzle brakes for conventional or dart weapons. Only -8 from BATAC for automatic fire. Uncommon 300 recoilless kit, +1 to BATAC. Only 5 from BATAC for automatic fire. Very rare 8500 levitators enables one-handed use of two-handed weapons. Extremely rare. 50000 infrared scope, +1 to BATAC, +4 to perception, range 50 m. Rare 20000 advanced infrared scope, +2 to BATAC, +6 to perception. Range 100 m. Very rare 30000 highly advanced infrared scope, +3 to BATAC, +8 to perception. Range 150 m. Extremely rare 50000 light intensification scope. Green light, +1 BATAC and reduces darkness modifiers to -3 BATAC. Uncommon 2 5000 advanced light intensification scope, +2 BATAC and reduces darkness modifiers to -2 BATAC. Very rare 35000 highly advanced light intensification scope, +3 BATAC and reduces darkness modifiers to -1 BATAC. Extremely rare 60000 light intensification scope. High noon, +1 BATAC and cancels darkness modifiers. Very rare 31000 advanced light intensification scope. High noon, +2 BATAC. Extremely rare 54000 highly advanced light intensification scope. High noon, +3 BATAC. Scarce remote scope, hip scope. Complete with monocle. Very rare 27000 telescopic scope, +1 to BATAC. Average 3000 advanced telescopic scope, +2 to BATAC. Rare 12000 telescopic scope, +3 to BATAC. Very rare 40000 periscopic scope. Allows engagement from full cover with a penalty of 2 BATAC. Uncommon 4000 advanced periscopic scope allows engagement from full cover with a penalty of 1 BATAC. Very rare 15000 highly advanced periscopic scope allows engagement from full cover with no penalty to BATAC. Extremely rare 43000 laser scope, +2 BATAC at ranges up to 50 m. Rare 20000 high power laser scope, +2 BATAC at ranges up to 80 m. Very rare 32000 definition enhancement scope, +1 BATAC clears heat shimmer. Rare 16000 advanced definition enhancement scope, +2 BATAC clears heat shimmer. Very rare 33000 highly advanced definition enhancement scope, +3 BATAC clears heat shimmer. Extremely rare 75000 radar scope, +1 BATAC, +5 perception versus dense matter. Highly advanced radar scope, +3 BATAC, +5 perception versus dense material. Scarce directional microphone, +3 to perception out to 200 m. Very rare 49000 powerful directional microphone, +4 perception out to 240 em. Extremely rare 65000 gyroscope, +1 to BATAC and no modifier for moving targets. Very rare 45000 advanced gyroscope, +2 to BATAC and no modifier for moving targets. Extremely rare 87000 highly advanced gyroscope, +3 to BATAC and no modifier for moving targets. Scarce folding bayonet standard allows attachment of